Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva to design clothes. First, open Canva and select a blank canvas or a suitable template. Consider the specific clothing item, such as a t-shirt, and set your canvas to appropriate dimensions, perhaps 1400 by 1800 pixels for a standard tee. Explore Canva's vast library of graphics, fonts, and elements to kickstart your creative process. You can also easily upload your own unique images or brand logos to personalize your design further. Now, let's dive into customization. Drag and drop various elements onto your canvas, arranging them to form your desired look. You have full control to adjust colors, resize elements, and reposition them with precision. Don't forget to experiment with Canva's diverse font styles and text effects to make your slogans or messages truly stand out. Utilizing the layering feature is crucial for managing complex designs, ensuring every component is perfectly placed and easy to edit. For more advanced techniques, consider grouping multiple elements together. This allows you to move or resize them as a single unit, saving you time and effort. Apply various filters and effects to your images to achieve a polished, professional look. A key step is creating mock-ups. Place your finished design onto a clothing template to visualize the final product. Always ensure your design is saved in a high-resolution format, such as 300 dpi, for optimal print quality. Finally, it's time to prepare your design for production. Download your finished artwork in a high-quality file format, such as PNG with a transparent background, which is ideal for clothing. Alternatively, a print-ready PDF works well too. Before sending it off, meticulously review your design for any last-minute errors or inconsistencies. Collaborating with a reputable printing service is highly recommended to ensure your vision translates perfectly onto the fabric, bringing your clothing design to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.